the year 2300. And we are happy to meet you, all of you, survivors of the big flood.
Fashion, M-ODE and FASHIONCLASH have inspired each other, shared knowledge and joined forces, amplifying the impact of their work.
Our research is also based on the question, what has value for you? My stance is that it's not really the place of art to make a solution, but to help console people in a time of crisis, and that we can use art more as a form of trauma therapy.
People that don't have the sources to run, they stay and they adapt to the different environments and they become amphibians.
De overlevers zijn we en we horen. We horen geïmpregneerd als amfibieën het jaar 2300. En we wisten dat het kwam.